birthday, Amari. Happy birthday, Amari. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Amari. Hello, Amari. We would like to greet you a happy birthday. We miss you and see you very soon. Bye. Say bye, Amari. Bye.
Hi, Amari! Happy first birthday! Ang wish ko sana sa'yo ay sana lumaki kang God-fearing and always listen sa mama at papa mo, okay? Happy birthday ulit, mama!
Happy birthday, Amari. I miss you. Sana lumaki ka na maganda just like your tita. I love you. See you soon.
Hi, baby Mari. Happy birthday. Love na love ka ni Tata. Palaki ka lang na healthy at happy. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Amari. I love you. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Amari! We love you!
Happy birthday, Apo, Amari. I love you. I miss you. Love na love ito ni Lola at ni Lolo.
Oo, miss na miss ka na namin. I love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, little angel Amari. May you have thousands more to celebrate. May you live long. May you have a beautiful career in your life.
Hi, Amari! Happy first birthday!
Hi, Bebe Amari. Happy birthday sa'yo, Bebe. Ang wish ni Tita is sana lumaki ka ng malusog at may respeto kay mama at papa mo. Lagi mo silang papasiyahin. Miss na miss ka na namin. Ingat kayo dyan. Miss na namin kayo. Uwi na kayo dito. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, my little princess. Maybe you don't know me, that's why I'll just introduce myself first. Only for you, my name is Meta, your tita, your mom's best friend. I wish you many happy returns of the day. Watching you here has been one of the greatest blessings of my life. And your tita will always be here to love you, to guide you, and to cheer you. I'm so sorry I cannot hug you, I cannot touch you, I cannot see you, but I hope I will see you soon. Tita, hope to see you in my life. I miss you, baby Christmas. Take care. Once again, happy birthday, Amari. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Amari.
Hi, baby Amari! Happy birthday! So, for the work si tita mo today, sana lumaki ka ng maayos and mag-happy birthday ka sa pamangkin ko.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Hello, baby Amari. Happy first birthday. Enjoy your day and see you soon. Bye-bye.
Hi, baby Amari! Happy birthday! I would like to say Tata always love you. And ang wish ni Tata para sa'yo ay lumaki kang mabuting anak. And ingat kayo dyan palagi nila mami at daddy mo. Uwi na kayo sa Pilipinas. Miss na namin kayo. I love you!
First birthday, Amari. Love you.
Hello, baby. Happy birthday, baby Amari namin. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at may respeto sa magulang mo. Lagi kong dalangin na